In this short tutorial, I want to show you how you can have your image rotate or not rotate with your shape in Microsoft Excel. So here we have a shape that is filled with an image. And let's just say we want to have the image not rotate with the shape. So right now, if we rotate the shape, the image will rotate with it. But if we don't want this to happen, we can right click on the image, go to Format Picture, and then we're going to want to go on the fill to the left right here, and we're going to scroll down, and here, as you can see, after clicking on this fill box to the left, there's this box at the bottom that says rotate with shape. We uncheck that, and now we can rotate the shape, and the image will not rotate with the shape, which with the circles is not necessarily as obvious. But as you can see though, with this like longer oval, the image just doesn't rotate with the shape. And then we recheck that box. The image now rotates with the shape. So that's it. I hope you found this to be helpful. If you did, like, subscribe, comment. Thank you for watching. You have a great day.